What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. And today I'm going to show you guys how to create your own car loan payment calculator using purchase price, interest rate, number of years, and future value. We'll break down all the definitions in a little bit. So purchase price is going to be the amount you finance. It's going to be the price of the car, all the costs associated with buying it, minus your down payment. Interest rate is going to be your APR. A lot of times you'll see this advertised from the dealership or in commercials. It's normally on an annual basis though. And then the number of years is just the length of your financing period. Normally 5 to 6 years is pretty usual. Your payment is what we're going to calculate in this video. And then future value is normally zero. Ideally, if you pay off your entire loan and then you own the car at the end of the period. And so we're going to use the equals PMT function to calculate our payment per period. The first entry is going to be our rate. So it's going to be the APR, but we're dividing by 12 because we pay our car every month. And normally interest is compounded monthly. And then we find the number of periods. It's going to be number of years times 12 because one for every month. And then our present value is going to be the amount we're financing, purchase price. And then future value is going to be zero because we're paying it off. And then we see here 0 or 1 for type of payment. It's safest to put at the end of the period. That's pretty normal when doing these calculations. So just go ahead and put 0 for this entry and then close parentheses. And then our payment will pop up right now. And we see it's negative because it's the way it calculates cash flows in Excel. It's saying that we received a $30,000 car, and then in return, we give away $566 every month. So that's kind of what it's translating to. And now the beauty of this is we can change it to $25,000, see how our monthly payment changes, or bring it back to $30,000, change the number of years. Because we made all of the references in the payment function, we made it all relative to other cells. So it creates its own little dynamic car payment calculator, and it can help you see what you can afford. And hopefully this helps, and stay tuned for more videos like this. Thanks.